Good afternoon, all of you. Myself, Dr. Suman Chaudhary from Faculty of Homeopathy, Gynec Department. Today's my topic is Introduction of Female Reproductive System. Introduction of Female Reproductive System. Female reproductive system is the system of reproduction in female human beings. The female reproductive system is complex as compared to the male reproductive system. Female have to bear fetus during fetal period of development within their bodies. Modification and adaptation to bear the fetus makes female reproductive system more complex. The female body also shows certain adaptation to become capable of bearing the fetus for 9 months. Main role of female reproductive system is to produce eggs and allow the process of fertilization and development to take place within their bodies. The outer female genital have layer of female that function is to protect the inner female reproductive system from infectious organism and help in the sperm entry. Labia majora or the outer lips. It has the sweat and oil secreting glands. This part grow hairs after the puberty. Labia minora. It is the second layer or smaller lips that cover the vagina, an opening that lead to the uterus, and the urethra, the opening for the urine. Barothelian glands. These glands are located beside the vaginal opening and secrete the mucous fluid. Clitoris. The two types of skin or lips join at the clitoris as can be seen in figure. The clitoris could be compared to a penis in a male. The clitoris is covered with a skin known as prepuce that is comparable to the foreskin of penis. Clitoris is very sensitive to touch and can be become erect. All the above parts are known collectively as the vulva. The inner part of the female reproductive organ. Ovaries. The ovaries are in a pair, a right and a left. The ovary produces ova or egg. Second, the fallopian tube. The ova, when released during a monthly cycle every month, are moved to the fallopian tubes, where it fertilizes with sperm in cases of a sexual intercourse. Uterus. The uterus is a sac, also known as womb, where their embryo, after fertilization of the ova and the sperm, is implanted. The period is known as a pregnancy. The fetus grows and stays until birth in the womb. After implantation, technically the embryo is called a fetus. The fetus attached to the uterus through an umbilical cord. The lining of uterus is very soft, known as an endometrial, ready to get baby implanted during the reproductive cycle. Cervix. It is an opening of the uterus to the other end that lead to the vagina. Vagina. It is a muscular tube that connects the cervix to the exterior. It receives penis, and through the penetration of penis, the sperm are released and thus the latter move up toward and the fallopian tubes. The vagina is also act as a birth canal as the fetus delivers through it.